In this talk, we are going to find out the output of the following code. Here we have a public class name A1. This is A1 constructor. First, in this program, we are going to discuss four constructor, and we try to call from one constructor to another constructor, then from second constructor to another constructor, from third constructor to fourth constructor. Yes. So all these we just call four times, and now here we have the main method, and this is the main method where you can see here we are trying to create an object. That is what object, and with the help of the same class name we are creating a new object, that is a. Because of that here is a constructor, here is a constructor. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, here is a constructor which is called first. Yes, then after that this whole block will execute, and in that what we are doing here, we are calling the second constructor from the first constructor. Yes, so this string is going to pass in the second constructor, because in the second constructor we have the string type s1. In second constructor we passing the string, and that will be called once this automatically. This is a default, first one is a default constructor, and this one will call after that, because we are calling from the first constructor to second constructor, and this is the whole block for the second constructor. So once it will call in the next line, then again we are calling, again here you can see, again we are calling the third constructor. Yes, and this these two strings arguments we are passing in the third constructor, which is here. This is a third constructor. Okay, and what we can do here, and one more thing, let me show you one more thing here. System.out.println s1 is printed on the console. S1 is printed on the console, and then after that a1, this is what the a1 string s3 string s4. These are the two arguments for the third constructor. Yes, so inside the third constructor we are calling the fourth constructor, you can see here, and after that we are printing the system.out.println, and here we have the s3 plus s4. S3 plus s4, what it means here, first we can see this is the concatenation operator is there. Yes, so it means that what it would be printed on the console. Let me draw the console here. Okay, so first in the abo code, here is a first system out dot println. Yes, so for this what would be printed on the console? S1. What is the S1? S1 is where mask. Yes, and for the second constructor we are printing where the mask. Second constructor is calling the third one, then our third constructor is calling the fourth one. Yes, this is the fourth constructor block. Yes, so here this s3 and s4, it means be safe will be printed here. Be safe will be printed here. Let me write it here so that it would be clear to you. Be safe will be printed. Yes, and here where mask is printed. Where mask is printed. Where mask is printed. So a1 string s5 string s6 string s7. Yes, so it means that string s5 s6 s7, what it means, I'm talking about the second line. So again we can see here is a first concatenation of operator, second concatenation operator, because we are passing the three strings. We are passing the three strings, what, s5 s6 and s7. So all these strings will be concatenated and stored inside the s. All these strings, let me draw all these strings concatenated here, let me draw it again. Yeah, concatenated and then stored in the s, and that s will printed here, that is printed on the console. Okay, so first what it would print, let me show you what it would printed first. That is hello Sheila. Then it will print be safe. Then it will print what? Be safe. Because one thing again you need to just remember here. Here you can see there is only print statement, not the println. Yes, here we can see this is the println. Here we can see, yeah, this is the println. But here this is only the printer function is there. So it means that be safe will be printed in the same line. Be safe will be printed in the same line. So be safe. And here what we can see for the next string will be printed on the output is wear mask. Wear mask. So this is going to be the complete output for this program.
Okay, learn Java and be happy.